Hello my friend, welcome to Colorful Cocktail. My name is Sandy. Today we are going to make a mocktail. There's no alcohol in this drink. If you don't drink alcohol, this will be a better option for you. In today's video, we are going to make this non-alcoholic drink. It's called Fizzy Almond. Then I will share who invented this drink. The last part, I will share cocktails I recently made, the ingredients and how to make the cocktails is included in the description. If you have any question, you are welcome to drop a comment. Let's start making Fizzy Almond. Prepare a shaker. Add 1 ounce fresh lemon juice. One and a half ounces of rum. Add ice. Just a few cubes, enough. Shake for 10 to 15 seconds. Prepare a Collins glass. Fill the glass with ice. Strain the drink into the glass. Top with club soda. Garnish with the mint sprig. And the 3 almonds. Cheers.
Fizzy Almond was created by San Diego bartender Eric Castro in Raised by Wolves. This drink delivers sweet nuttiness and a delightful fizz.